This is Force 13, Australia apology for that. This is Force 13, Australia and Oceania Channel, where the Bureau of Meteorology continues to update their severe thunderstorm warning information. At this point in time, severe thunderstorm warning for damaging winds, heavy rainfall, large hailstones remains in place for the central Highlands, Coalfields, the Capricornia, Wide Bay, Burnett, the Darling Downs, the Granite Belt and the south east coast forecast districts. Severe thunderstorms are likely to produce damaging winds, heavy rainfall that may lead to flash flooding, large hailstones in the warning area over the next several hours. Locations at this point in time which may be affected include Kingaroy, Gympie, Biloela, Baralaba, Cooroy, Imbil, Kilcoy and Nanango. If severe thunderstorms develop in the southeast Queensland area, east of Derby from Rainbow Beach to Stanthorpe, Bureau of Meteorology will issue a further more detailed severe thunderstorm warning. And this is the Brisbane radar, which clearly shows that the system continues to track, and later on today it will be off the Queensland coast, and it'll be about Fraser Island down to about Lismore, but offshore. That information was reported in our earlier update. And we'll have a look at the Bureau's Doppler wind radar information. Bureau of Meteorology has updated their fire weather warning for the Gulf Country, the Northern Goldfields, Upper Flinders forecast districts here in Queensland. Severe fire dangers forecast for those areas for the rest of today and on Sunday. Moderate to fresh south to southeasterly winds will persist through northern districts tonight and on Sunday as a ridge of high pressure builds in the wake of a service trough moving through eastern Queensland this afternoon. These fresh winds will combine with hot and dry conditions, leading to severe fire dangers in the Gulf Country, the Northern Goldfields, the Upper Flinders on Sunday, and for the rest of today, extreme fire danger for the Northern Goldfields, the Upper Flinders. severe fire danger in the Gulf country. And for Sunday, severe fire danger is forecast for the Gulf country, the northern Coalfields and the upper Flinders. Also tomorrow, the Bureau of Meteorology will have a strong wind warning for the Sunshine Coast waters, Moreton Bay, along with the Gold Coast waters. Fire weather warning remains in place for the Greater Hunter, Northern Slopes and northwestern fire areas. Warm, dry, windy conditions will result in elevated fire dangers for the northeast of the state. And for the remainder of today, very high fire danger is forecast for the Greater Hunter, the Northern Slopes and northwestern. The Bureau has also updated the strong wind warning, remains in place for the Sydney Coast waters, the Hunter Coast, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden Coast. And a reduced warning will be in place for Sunday, Byron, Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter and Eden Coast. The Bureau of Meteorology Victoria has updated the strong wind warning. It remains in place for the Port Phillip Bay, Western Port, Gippsland Lakes, West Coast, Central Coast, Central Gippsland Coast and East Gippsland Coast. And for Sunday, Central Coast, Central Gippsland, East Gippsland Coast. A gale warning is in place for the southeast, southwest coast down there in Tasmania. Strong wind warning for the Central Plateau Lakes, the Southwest Lakes, the far northwest, Central North Coast, Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, lower east and Central West Coast. They've cancelled the one for the upper East Coast. Gale warning will be in place again tomorrow, lower east, southeast, southwest coast, and a strong wind warning for the lakes, southwest lakes, the far northwest coast, central north coast, Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island and the central west coast. On the screen is one of two webcams that I operate from my home location. This one is currently pointing to the north. This is Force to 13, so you channel. My name is David Tones, and we might see conditions worsen, a little bit of lightning. There was a little bit of thunder in my local area about 20 minutes before I came alive. Now, what's happening down in South Australia? The Bureau has cancelled their marine wind warning for the lower southeast coast. And another look at the live streaming webcam at the mouth of the Tweed River and It's located, I think it's a volunteer marine rescue complex there at Point Danger. Fire weather warning has been updated up there in the Northern Territory. The fire weather warning remains current for the Darwin Adelaide River and the Capricornia East fire forecast district. Very hot, dry, windy conditions will continue over parts of the Daly and Capricornia districts. Fire weather warning is current for the West Pilbara coast, Ashburton inland, Gascoyne inland fire weather districts over there in WA. Very hot, dry conditions, fresh and gusty northwesterly winds this afternoon. And for the remainder of Saturday, severe fire danger remains in place for the West Pilbara coast, Ashburton inland and Gascoyne inland. Marine wind warning for the Esperance coast, strong wind warning. BI Meteorology has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for damaging winds and large hailstones for people in parts of the Gympie Council area. BI warns that at 16:15 severe thunderstorms were detected on the weather radar near the area north of Gympie. They're currently tracking towards the east. They're forecast to affect the area northeast of Gympie, Kingaroy, I think it is, Talawa Forest by 16:50. Tincan Bay, Rainbow Beach by 5:20. It's Forza 13's Australia Oceania channel, where we're covering severe thunderstorm activity here in Queensland. Now we have a look at the Himalaya 8 satellite imagery, Australia's western region. And repeating severe thunderstorm warning, southeast Queensland for damaging winds and large hailstones. And this warning is for the people in the council area controlled by Gympie. Himawari 8 satellite imagery for Australia's eastern region and southwest Pacific.